is how to start up a JNLP Webstart rich internet application, in the particular case the demo application of Switch On that showcases what is a basic idea of Switch On and how a Switch On application could look like. And for opening such a JNLP application, you simply open your browser, and then in the address window you simply paste the link that I sent you. It points to the JNLP start file, and this file contains all the links to all the libraries that are needed to actually start up the application. In this particular case, the Chrome browser downloads this and asks you if you want to keep it, because it detects that it could be some kind of harmful to your computer. But in this case, it's a link that I sent you, and I guarantee that it is okay, so you can keep it. And then you have the JNLP file on your PC. An alternative browser, for example Firefox or Internet Explorer, would most likely ask you if you want to start this kind of application right away with, or this link with Java Webstart right away. So you could also do this. But in my case, it downloaded to my downloads folder, and I can then locate it there and see there's the JNLP file. Unfortunately, I don't have the extension JNLP connected to Java Webstart, which may be the case for you too. In this case, you just say, I want to open it with Java Webstart. But basically, if your browser didn't ask you, you most likely only have to double-click the file, and then Java Webstart will come up right away. But this is the way to go, which always works as long as you have Java installed. So I open it, and on OS X or Mac OS X, you're additionally asked if you want to open this kind of application because you downloaded it from the internet and it could be harmful. So here's an additional security measure, and you simply say, I want to open it. In Windows or something similar, this won't happen most likely. And then Webstart comes up and starts this application. It first of all downloads the application. This is something that I did before. This is because it was so fast right now. But if you start it the first time, all the libraries will be loaded into the Java cache. So if you start it again, then it will be as fast as my startup right here. Then it verifies if the application is properly signed, and tells us, okay, we want to start the Switch On demo application. It is published by Kismet GmbH. It has been signed by Kismet, and it's all okay, and it's come from this server that Taras. So this is information of what application is going to come up now. So if I want to trust Kismet, I simply can tick this checkbox, and then I won't be asked if the publisher is Kismet anymore. So then basically you can say, okay, I want to run this, and it's now starting up the application, and there we go. Then we have a splash screen. Normally you would now see the login screen of the kit system, but in this case it's a pre-configured user, and it simply makes an auto login, and you don't have to worry at all. So this is basically how you can start a JNLP application, and then the Switch On demo application comes up in this case, and we can work with it right away. So this is basically what you have to do to start the application the first time. Bye for now.